please come back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about Ethereum. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Ethereum is often compared to Bitcoin. While the two cryptocurrencies have many similar, you should pay attention to some important distinctions. Ethereum is described as the world's programmable blockchain, positioning itself as an electronic programmable network with many applications. The Bitcoin blockchain, by contrast, was created only to support the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. The maximum number of Bitcoin that can enter circulation is 21 million. The amount of Ethereum that can be created is unlimited, although the time it takes to process a block of Ethereum limits how much Ether can be mined each year. The number of Ethereum coins in circulation is more than one significant difference is how the Ethereum and Bitcoin networks the transaction processing fees. The fees now as gas on the Ethereum network are paid by the participants in Ethereum transaction. The fees associated with Bitcoin transaction are absorbed by the broader Bitcoin network. Significant by the Ethereum and Bitcoin are similar is that both blockchain network consume vast amount of energy. This is because as of the blockchain operate using the proof of work protocol, proof of stake use much less energy. Next, the founder of Ethereum. Ethereum transition to the proof of stake protocol, which enable users to validate transaction and mint new Ethereum based on their Ether holdings. Is part of a significant upgrade to the Ethereum platform known as Ethereum 2. The upgrade also adds capacity to the Ethereum network to support its growth, which help to address chronic network congestion problems that have driven up gas fees. Ethereum adopting is continuing, included by high-profile enterprise. In 2020, chipmaker Advanced Micro Devices announced a joint venture with Consensus to create a network of data centers built on the Ethereum platform. Since 2015, Microsoft has a partnership with Consensus to develop Ethereum blockchain as a service technology on Microsoft Azure cloud platform. Ethereum is also being implemented into gaming and virtual reality. Decentraland is a virtual world that uses the Ethereum blockchain to secure items contained within the world, and avatars, wearables, building, and environment are all tokens stored the blockchain to create ownership. Axie Infinity is another game that uses blockchain technology and has its own cryptocurrency called Smooth Love Potion, used for rewards and transactions within the game. Non-fungible tokens gains popularity in 2021. Non-fungible tokens are tokens, digital items created using Ethereum. Generally speaking, tokenization gives one digital asset a specific digital token that identifies it and stores it on the blockchain. This establishes ownership because the encrypted data stores the owner wallet address. The non-fungible tokens can be traded or sold, which is viewed as a transaction on the blockchain. The transaction is verified by the network and ownership is transferred. Non-fungible tokens are being developed for all sorts of assets. For example, sport fans can buy a sport token, also called fan tokens, of their favorite athletes, which can be traded like trading cards. Some of these non-fungible tokens are pictures that resemble a trading card, and some of them are videos of a memorable or historic moment in the Ether career. Decentralized autonomous organizations are being developed. Decentralized autonomous organizations are a collaborative method for making decisions across a distributed network. For example, imagine you create a venture capital fund, raise money through fundraising. but you want decision making to be decentralized and distribution to be automatic and transparent. A DAO called use smart contract and application together the votes from the fund member and buy into vendors based on the majority of the group votes, then automatically distribute any returns. The transaction could be viewed by all parties and there will be no third party involvement in handling any funds. The path cryptocurrency will play in the future is still vague, but the Ethereum appears to have a significant part to play in personal and corporate financial and the many aspects of our modern life. Okay guys, this is first discussion about Ethereum. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel and see you next time.